What do all these people have in common? The charming prince.
What did you do that for?
Because I'm childish and I don't like losing.
His manservant Dandini.
Not another theatre. Is this going to be a running theme?
No, we'll walk there, sire.
Their invisible horse. The ugly sisters.
Ivana, get the door!
I can't, I'm shaving my boils.
Well, I can't do it because I'm having a poo.
The fairy godmother.
You must be home by the time the clock strikes 12.
Buttons.
Blimey, where'd you find her?
Glastonbury.
See no more.
And this guy. They're all looking for Cinderella.
You're the most beautiful filly here.
Did you just call me a filly?
I called you the most beautiful filly.
Perhaps she's in here.
Girls in trousers.
She might be over there.
Where are you, Bamba?
It'll be nice to her.
Or perhaps she's behind you.
My time with you and so my magic must end at midnight.
She was right when she said I was haughty.
Oh, steady on, sire.
I was much nicer when I was wearing your trousers.
In Search of Cinderella. An original pantomime made exclusively for you. YouTube.
Is that it?
It's fast. It's funny.
What's that over there?
What's what over where?
And it's free. Donations accepted. Come and watch from the 20th of January at InSearchOfCinderella.com.
I think we've been spotted.
It's about to get ugly, sister.